Bienvenidos otra vez, estoy en la parte número 2 de mi sesión de foto en el área de museos de Houston. Estoy afuera del Museo de Artes y vamos a empezar la sesión de fotos aquí. Después vamos a llevar a la pareja cruzando la avenida principal al Herman Park. Quédense aquí porque voy a mostrar trucos, ya saben, como siempre. La sesión va a ser en inglés, obviamente, pero voy a poner subtítulos para que entiendan las instrucciones y entiendan qué settings tengo en mi cámara. ¿Ok? Quédense aquí y espero que lo disfruten. Bye.
Oh, that's pretty. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Okay, now you stay in the same pose. Perfect. I'm gonna do one more. I'm just getting the entire column. And Nadia, bend more your knee. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look at her. Perfect. Now, Bobby, you're gonna get close to her. You're in the same pose, close to the column. Nadia, you're close to the column. Bend your same pose, same pose. There. Perfect. Now you're gonna come closer to her and you're gonna have your arm on her waist. Oh, yeah, I remember the sun, right? Now everything is perfect. Just your hand is here, bringing more on over the hip instead of over the bell. Perfect. And 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Turn to each other, like almost rubbing, like cats purring, you know, cats purring noses. And as you do that, actually, Nadia, you're gonna keep your face not pointing at him, but slightly this way so I can see more of your profile. But same thing, rubbing noses and keeps your eyes closed or looking at each other's lips, looking down. Okay, so rubbing like cats purring. There you go. And slightly smile. Enjoy, rubbing noses. Perfect. Perfect. This is gonna be your front, the front. Okay, I kind of like that. Stay there. I'll fix your pose. Lean on the wall. And I want your face slightly turning towards me. 1, 2, 3. Give me a soft expression like GQ attitude instead of smiling. There you go. Face that way, Nadia. So I want to see your profile. A little less than that, more towards your right, there. I want you out of focus. Okay, you're gonna turn slightly more towards your left. Yes, a little more. There. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Actually, this is better. 1, 2, 3. Slightly turn your face towards her. More, looking at her. Perfect. Now look at, Bobby, look at me. And Nadia, you can turn and look at me. Perfect. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. And let me see also your face, Bobby. After you tell her something, turn this way. Can you do tickles on her waist? Tickles, I want you both laughing. There you go. Yeah. And get close at her, Look at her while you're doing tickles. So let's do it more playful. Like I count to 3, do this so it looks more natural with the movement. Like instead of this way, that way. Like, yeah, let's choke the bride. Scene number 3. No, take that. You call it take number 3. And now turn your face towards this car. And smile. And remember the laugh. The expression is the most important. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yes, that was the last one. I ISO 200 because I want to make it dark. And then I did the speed in 400 and aperture 7.1. Okay, let me tell you in Spanish. El ISO que hice, obscurecí la foto, por eso está así, con el efecto del flash. Hice ISO 200, lo bajé lo más que pude. Velocidad 400 a 7.1. Ok. Ahora, como ya no voy a hacer ese tipo de fotos artísticas oscuras, high speed, voy a cambiar mi lente telefoto. Y voy a hacer voy a aprovechar la luz natural que hay. Y ya no voy a usar tanta potencia en mis flashes, ¿ok? Cuando hago high speed, velocidades muy altas, necesito mucha potencia. Si vieron que utilicé 2 flashes, uno de cada lado, necesito mucho poder. Ahora vamos a hacer, va a ser esto más rápido. Va a ser pose, sonríe, camina, clic, clic, clic. Ok, no toda la sesión puede ser así con fotos artísticas y 10 minutos en una sola foto, si no, nunca terminaríamos con 5 fotos en toda la sesión, ok. Voy a hacer las siguientes más rápido. Ok, vamos para ya. This side, on this side of the... We're gonna have bloopers. Smile. Big smile, there you go. Now hold it with both hands, arms like that. Big, Nadia, can you turn that way as you're doing it? Perfect. Very comfortable, right, to walk that way. Okay. That's gonna be cute. That's gonna be like to display at the reception. You, Bobby, doing at this. Yeah. So as everybody enters the weddings, they're gonna see you like that. Or the other pose. The one that you nailed, like, how about show me? I don't remember. The other one that you did on video. You show it. Yeah. Utilizar las columnas para hacer un efecto fuera de foco. Okay. Just your back straight, so roll your shoulder back. Perfecto, le estoy diciendo que enderece su espalda. I don't see your hand, this one, yeah, let me see. So don't have it on, okay. Bring your hair on the front, that's better. Okay, and 1, 2, 3. Hold on. Actually, get closer at him. There you go, looks more natural. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Estoy tomando fotos a través de las hojas. Los estoy encuadrando. Oh, but don't look at me, Nadia. Just look around. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Give it a kiss on the forehead, please. Okay, hold on. 1, 2, 3. Voy a tomar a través de las ramitos. Okay, go. Walk, first walk, look at each other and smile. Look at the water, towards the water and smile. Now spin. Okay, that's good, guys. That's a wrap. Yes. Perfect.